Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of Eureka Math. My name is Flat Stanley. My previous videos, I forgot to tell you. Tonight, I'm Flat Stanley. Right, my friends? Oh, yes, of course. Enjoy the video, my friends. Okay, here we go, my friends. This is how we are going to just review something that we've done already. So, the area model method allows us to understand how do we find the common denominator for an addition of fractions who have a different denominator. So what are we doing right here? We're adding fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, my friends. So here we go. Let's start. This is the representation of 2/3. So the denominator tells me that I have to divide this in 3 parts. And there is 2 shaded. There's 2 parts shaded. This one is dictating that we should divide this one in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 5 parts. And the numerator dictates that we have to shade 3 of those 5 parts. And this is exactly what I am doing. Okay, my friends, you know what? If you're watching this video, you're making your life better. Your school life is going to be just outstanding, my friends. Now, there you have it. Now, to find the like denominator here, we have to do what we see over here. If this is 5 parts, we have to make this one, divide this one into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts now. And now, because this one is 3 parts, we have to make this, cut this one in the same number of parts, 3 parts. 1, 3. So as you can see, the denominators dictate what you do. So here's what happens. Now we have different fractions, but there are equivalent fractions. We have 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5 equals 15 parts now. And how many are shaded? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. On this side, on the 3/5 model, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So 5 times 3 equals 15. Now we count how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we have like denominators. Now here's the fun part. Now we're going to substitute that in here. So now 2/3 is the same thing as 10/15 plus 3/5 is the same as 9/15. So in this next step, let's call this step number 2. And this is going to be a step 1. We're going to now add, okay, or replace fractions. Replace fractions. So let's do that. 10/15 plus 9/15 equals 19/15. Okay, there you have it. There is the answer. Now, my friends, one thing you have to really pay attention. The numerator is greater than the denominator. Because 19 is greater than 15. So what do? Okay, so now we have to simplify it. So what you do now is the next step. Let's write that down. 19/15. Okay, if you look at the denominator, you know that 15 is the denominator. So now, to make it a whole number, we find a number that will make this a whole number. And we're going to get that fraction from the 19. So we're going to take away 15 from the 19. This is going to equal 1. Plus 15 plus 4 will equal 9. It will equal 19. Here's the 4. 15. Now, why do we do that, my friends? Because we're going to convert. Now this is going to convert into one whole. And then now we add it to that 415. So the answer for this problem is given in two ways. Okay, let's make sure we write that down. The answer for the addition is 19/15 as the improper fraction, and then we write it as a mixed fraction, which is 1 and 4/15. My friends, what an exciting moment to know that you're watching these videos and learning. So again, we added fractions, but this time we placed a couple of things together. We found the improper fraction, and then we found the mixed number, made a mixed number from the improper fraction. My friends, you will become good mathematicians if you practice and pause the videos and play them and go back and review them, and you will be successful. Thank you for watching, my friends.